Okay, good afternoon, students. This is the continuation video for your from your previous one. What we have completed in our previous, that is total debtors account. After total debtors account, if the information is given with regards to bills receivable account, then and there only we have to prepare this or open this account. Okay, getting, if they have given any information related to bills receivable, then only we have to open this account, otherwise do not open it, the account, when you are solving the problem. Now what is bills receivable account? If the trader has done the transaction with debtors with respect to giving him a bills receivable. Bills receivable is what? Promising note telling about when he is going to pay that bill. That is called as bills receivable. So when a trader gives such kind of, when a trader is accepting such kind of bills receivable, we have to go with what? Bills receivable account. They will be giving in the question if the transaction is related to bills receivable account. Now why we have to, what is the object of preparation of this account? The object of preparation of this account is to know either opening balance of bills receivable or bills receivable is received from debtors, or either we have to derive cash received against bills receivable or the closing balance of bills receivable. This is the main object of preparation of this account. The format is like this way. The format goes, if whatever they have given us, it will come, if it is a cash account against the bills, so it will come under credit side. Sundry debtors which will be dishonored, which will come over here, bills receivable dishonored, will come over here, sundry debtors, bills receivable dishonored. It is a effect what we have to give in both the accounts. Clear? The next one is balance carried for what now? Closing balance. Now either we have to find out this also. If this is not given, we have to find out the balancing figure will be your opening balance. Then what? Sundry debtors, that is bills received. Clear? So this is what your bills receivable account. You will understand more when we are solving the problem. Please be very specific with these formats. The next thing, step 4, we have to open creditors account if the information is given with regards to creditors. Now creditors are the people whom a firm has taken some money or done a transaction with them. So for example, your suppliers को बोल देते हैं ट्रेडर के बाद में पे करूँगा, so they become a creditor to a firm or a trader. Now why we have to open this account? To understand opening balance of creditors, or to understand how much we have done a credit purchase, or to understand cash paid to creditors, or to understand the closing balance. So which are useful to prepare the final accounts of the business. So what is the format of this creditors account? The format of creditors account, on debit side it will be cash account, that is paid to creditor. Bills receivable account, bills issued. Then purchase return, it is exact opposite of your debtor account. Clear? Then comes discount earned, then comes closing creditors. This is why we have to prepare it. Then next one is what? Opening creditors. Always remember, creditors will be having a opening creditors on credit side, then credit purchases, and then what now? Bills payable dishonored. If we have to go with journal entry, it will be too difficult. So please, be perfect with your format. Fine. So bills payable, it will be going into what account now? Again bills payable account it will be going. Now what is bills payable account? If a trader is doing a transaction by accepting bills payable, so we have to open that. With respect to why we have to open? To know the opening balance, to know the bills payable with regard to issued creditors or cash against bill, or closing balance of bill. What will be the format of it? Format will be cash account, paid to creditors, sundry creditors, bills payable dishonored, and balance, that is what? Closing balance. And then comes what now? Your on credit side, opening balance of bills payable. This is an liability, all the liabilities will come, the opening balance is on credit side, and then the sundry creditors bills issued to creditors. So these are your 5 steps what we have done. Okay, so students, please go through it. Okay, understand, we have to start with the problems. When we are doing the problems, we will understand it better. Thank you.